Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm back with another tutorial video on how to fix Telegram connecting problems on your Android phone. If you're trying to operate your Telegram application, but you're not being able to do so since it is having a connection problem, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you're going through a Telegram connecting problem on your Android device, then the first thing to do is to check if you are connected to an internet or not. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you're connected, tap open your Telegram application. If your internet is working, then you'll be able to connect your Telegram easily without any kind of a delay. That was one solution to your problem. If you have a great internet connection and still you're not being able to connect Telegram, then the next thing to do is to check if you've updated your Telegram to the latest version or not. Tap open your Play Store and in the search bar type in Telegram and make a search. If you see an open button popping up, then that means that your application is up to date. You don't need to update the application yet, but if you see an update button like this popping up on your screen, then that means your application is not up to date and you'll need to do that right away. Update your application by tapping on the update button and get the latest version of the Telegram downloaded on your Android device, and soon after you are done with it, tap open your Telegram to see if that solved your issue. If that still does not work on your Android, then the next thing to do is to tap open your settings button from the app drawer, and from the settings menu, tap on apps. Select Telegram from the list of the apps displayed on the screen and give it a tap. From this page, select Storage. Right at the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see a Clear Cache button. Tap it on and remove all the cache data from Telegram so that it can work efficiently. Telegram is genuinely one of the apps that stores the most cache data on a phone. From every tiny images to the largest videos that you watch will be cached into your device storage. Clearing out your cache will help your application to function properly, so you must free up your Telegram cache data now and then from your Android devices. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you're not being able to run Telegram application since it is having a connection problem. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.